Okay, so la is two tanks interacting. Uyabona even nange drawing yakhona yabo ukuthi there is something ewalinkayo because they are interacting. Uyakhumbula lawa ngale bekuyi-tank ebeli la phezulu elinye lila phansi yabo. So la into fanele uyi-understand u-R1 ngithi as R1 that's a hydraulic resistance angithi, but this R1 for tank 1 is between two heights yabo, so it's between H1 and H2, but R2 uyihambela noba no Q2. So a hydraulic resistance for tank 2 would be H2 at T all over Q2, but la hydraulic resistance R wala for Q1 uzoba H1 minus H2 all over Q1. That's the only difference compared to the non-interacting one. Okay, general equation okokuqala uyawahlukanisa ama-tank akho yabo. So here is tank 1, general equation dv1 at T all over dt equals to Q in minus Q1 because it's denoted by Q1 output yala. Okay, to get rid of this V1 also inside their formula lega area times height, so it will be A1 H1 at T times d over dt, or a derivative equals to Q in at T minus Q out at T yabo. But R1 ngiba ngeke ngachaza is between H1 and H2, so it's H1 at T minus H2 at T all over Q1 at T. Okay, so therefore sengenza ke R1 is subject of the formula ngoba ubona ngala, and then sengizosapha ke manje. Though this implies that ngiyusebenzisela ukuthi nginqena ukuthi ngithi equation 1 equation 2 equation 3 yabo lokho ngithi sub bani to bani, so ngisebenzisa this implies that. So it's area 1 H1 at T d over dt equals to Q in at T minus sengithatha lento le eka Q1, so la sengibhala Q not kahle kahle it's Q1 ngithe ngizomreplace ngale formula. Okay, so into ozoyenza uzongifakela nawe square brackets ngoba ngifakile kanje yabo. Ukhiphe LCD yakho 1 no R1 nansi ngayikhipha, you drop this one down lokhu nakho la, and then ufake u1 ufake R1, so this one cancels this one, so R1 times Q in at T minus no R1 so cancel lokho, so bese kubuya lokhu uphinde usibuyise square brackets, and then you get rid of this denominator times ngayo both sides yabo. So kubuya R1 A1 H1 at T d over dt equals to R1 Q in at T minus check. Now you need to keep the square bracket, so uzo times negative times positive, so kuzoba negative H1 at T, negative and negative so positive angithi yabo positive H2 at T. Okay, and then uthatha konke no H1 ubeka ngala kwe equal sign yabo, konke no H1 nangu H1, so uzo change the sign abe positive, and then ibe la. After that you apply Laplace transform. Now Laplace transform R1 A1 H1 at S, restriction yashintsha S with derivative a big H1 causing apply Laplace transform at S, R1 Q in at S plus H2 at S. So I'm done with tank 1. Okay, now sengizochaza tank 2. Okay, lobe outputs ku tank 1 still we say inputs ku tank 2 ngoba kade senza ngale kwi non interacting. Okay, so uzoba this is general equation dv2 now at T over dt equals to Q in at T minus Q2 Q in because we input ngale, but sithi nothi ngoba ngu-Q1, that's why ngisebenzise Q1 minus Q2 because ngiyambona ukuthi la uba Q2. All right, and then I need to replace this V2 yabo, so it's area 2 H2 at T times d over dt equals to Q1 at T minus Q2 at T, but to Q2 angithi yini we output ku tank 2. Q2 is H2 all over R bar 2 because sengenze uq2 as subject of the formula, and uq1 ngale kuqaleni na ngenkathi usenza ngale uthe uq1 is between 2h and it's h1 minus h2 all over r1. Ungakhohlwa ukubuyisa uzokusapha la nakho a2 h2 at t times d over dt equals to h1 at t minus h2 at t, cause lokhu kulingana noba no q1 ekade ngimsimplify ngale ku tank 1 minus h2 at t all over r2 over we hydraulic resistance le ka q out ka tank 2. Okay, and then from here keep LCD yakho r1 no r2 nansi ngayikhipha. Checka ke this r1 cancels this r1, so kubuye u-r2 ngase ngifake square brackets ukuze ngazi ukuthi lo r2 ungena ku h1 aphinde ngene ku h2 minus lo r2 acancel lo r2, and then kubo r1 h2 at t. To get rid of this so times ngayi both sides. Okay, and then sengila manje. Okay, it's r1 r2 a2 h2 at t times d over dt equals to r2 h1 because times minus r2 h2 at t minus h1 r1 h2 at t. Okay, so ngihambisa no h2 ngale kwe equal sign nakho ngakhambisa, and then after that ngi-apply Laplace transform yabo. Okay, Laplace transform kuzoba big r1 big r2 a2 big h2 at s times s. Okay, Laplacian derivative plus r2 h2 at s plus r1 h2 at s equals to r2 h1 at s, and then kune common factor la eyoba h2 ngayikhipha ngasala nalokhu equals to r2 h1 at s. Then sekoya nge-transfer function asuke ifunileke kumina, so uzoshiya ngala kwi-subject of the formula nangala ukushiya kwi-subject of the formula, then bese uyasho therefore i-transfer function is equals to output over input. So uyothatha lezi zinto ozenza ama-subjects of the formula uyaqeda isibalo sakho.